Hey guys, what you're going to see here is what started out to be a radio, 4 speakers, and a backup camera in my brand new 2015 Jeep Patriot. As you can see, it is clean and pristine until you start ripping stuff apart. Here is where I ripped the dash apart to get the radio in. Wiring's nice and clean. And here's a back shot, some more interior shots of the Patriot as it was brand new. And yeah, had to rip the whole entire dash off to get the tweeters mounted in the upper dash. You can see I got a mess going on here with the seats out and the 2 amplifiers and the signal processor. And this shot, we'll see she's getting back together, looking pretty good. All the wires nice and hid, tucked underneath the carpet. Here we got the seat back in, nice tight snug fit. Here's the 4-channel amp with the power distribution underneath the passenger side seat back in, so that way I can have full access to the cargo area. Here was my original Kicker box I started with, and here's the new custom box I built for the same drivers, the Kicker CSS-694. Perfectly blended into the hatch. You know, I really like it. And here's a frequency response graph of my new custom box. It is virtually flat all the way down to 20 hertz. And well, all we got to do now is give it a listen to. So here we go.
Out on the dance floor, having fun. All of our friends are here. Sweet beach music playing loud, drinking ice cold beer.
No sub, just killed the sub.
Just shoot for the stars. If it feels right, then aim for my heart. If you feel like it, take me